Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Ocho Rios and we are going to talk about a statement that the US President Donald Trump made recently about Jamaica. I'm going to read the statement. We see opportunities to work together on expanding trade and promoting more US investment into Jamaica, particularly in areas such as energy and tourism, the president highlighted. That's the end of the statement. More US investment into Jamaica, and then he mentions energy and tourism. Now, Ocho Rios, this is the town we're driving through now, major player in the tourism industry in Jamaica. Of course, the largest tourist town or area you're going to find in Jamaica is in Montego Bay. But this is a huge statement for the US president to be saying more US investment in tourism in Jamaica. Now, a lot of hotels are in Jamaica. Actually, I think every major hotel chain is in Jamaica. But currently, the Spanish hotels have the most rooms in Jamaica, outside of Sandals, of course. You're looking at Rio, that has 7 hotels in Jamaica, well over 2,000 rooms. You have Grand Bahia Principal, which is the largest hotel in Jamaica now, with 1,350 rooms, and they plan to add another 1,000 rooms. There's another one. Is Royalton a Spanish hotel? I'm not sure, but we have a lot of foreign hotels, but not a lot of US hotels. They aren't the largest hotels, or they don't have the most rooms. So this is a sign, a good move basically for more US companies to come to Jamaica, to invest more in Jamaica. Now, the largest hotel group in the world is Marriott, and they are coming to Jamaica. They actually are buying out hotels in Jamaica and rebranding them under their brands, because they don't want to wait to build a hotel. They want in immediately. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on US investments in tourism in Jamaica. As tourism continues to rebound and grow in Jamaica, the island is attracting fresh attention from international investors, especially from the United States. The recent statement by the US President recognizing opportunities for expanding trade and promoting more US investment into Jamaica, particularly in areas such as energy and tourism, signals a new era of partnership with major potential for the tourism sector. Jamaica's tourism industry is already a key economic driver, contributing over $3.7 billion in revenue and employing thousands of Jamaicans. The US remains Jamaica's largest source market, with over 70% of visitors arriving from American cities. With rising demand, there is now a major opportunity to attract US investment in new hotel developments, resort upgrades, attractions, cruise port expansions, and ecotourism projects. New developments such as ACU Hotel in Montego Bay and Sugarcane Bay Resort in St. James, and upgrades to airport infrastructure, including the Ian Fleming Airport extension, are opening the door for further investment. American investors bring not just capital but also expertise in branding, technology, and hospitality management. By strengthening U.S. investment ties in tourism, Jamaica can expand its product offerings, improve quality standards, and create thousands of new jobs, especially in rural and coastal communities. At the same time, this deepens cultural and economic ties between the two countries, benefiting both visitors and locals. In short, tourism represents one of the clearest areas where Jamaica and the U.S. can build a lasting, mutual, beneficial partnership. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.